At this point, we set up our server, and now it's time to make it feel real by linking to a domain name. This will allow you to access your server using something like example.com instead of just an IP address. In this module, we'll go through the steps of purchasing a domain, setting up a DNS, and moving your domain to Cloudflare for added security and performance. Before linking your server to a domain, first we need to purchase one. If you already have a domain, you can skip this step. To keep it simple, I'm going to purchase a domain inside Hostinger, but you're free to use any website to purchase your domain. On the left side, click Domains and then click Get a New Domain. Search for your domain, and when you're happy, add it to your cart. Hostinger has an option to pay 1 cent for your .com domain if you opt in for the 3-year plan. It's up to you, but I'm just going to choose 1 year and I'll still get a good discount. Once you complete your payment, Hostinger will take a few minutes to initialize your domain. Once done, you'll see a Manage button that you'll click to register your domain under your name or under a company. For privacy reasons, I'm going to skip this step, but it's pretty straightforward. Once you fill out the form, Hostinger will finalize setting everything up for you, and you'll be redirected to your domain overview page. Head over to cloudflare.com and create an account. Once done, navigate to Domains page and click Onboard a Domain. In the input field, type in your domain name, select Manually Enter DNS Records, untick Instruct AI Bot Traffic with robots.txt, and click Continue. You can select a free plan and you'll be redirected to the domain manual entry page. These are all the records that Hostinger configures by default. Keep them there for now and click the Continue to Activation button. We'll change the records a bit later. Now we need to copy the name servers and replace the ones inside Hostinger. Copy the first one, then head over to Hostinger, and under DNS Records, click Change Name Servers. Then click Change Name Servers and replace the name server with the one Cloudflare provides. Once copied over, click Save. Now let's go back to Cloudflare and click I updated my name server. This might take a few minutes or could take a bit longer. Check back in a few minutes and refresh the page. If you see your domain is now protected by Cloudflare, after refreshing the page, that means the domain was successfully moved over to Cloudflare. On the left side, click DNS tab and click Records. Cloudflare has a few CA records already in place to control which certificate authorities are allowed to issue SSL and TLS certificates for your domain. I'm going to remove them since we're going to be using our own certificate issuing service. But if you want to use Cloudflare, then keep the CA records. Now, let's link our server's IP address to our domain. Create a new A record. In the name field, type @ to keep the root domain name. Disable proxy status and head over to Hostinger. Click on the VPS tab and copy your server's IP address. Then head over back to Cloudflare and paste in the IP address into the IPv4 field. Then click Save. A new A record should be added below. To check that it's typed correctly, we can use the ping command in our terminal. Type ping and enter your domain name. Then click Ctrl+C to cancel it, and you should see that all your packets were sent through your domain to your server's IP address and that there was 0 packet loss. Great! In the next module, we will go over moving your Node.js website to your server using GitHub.